If you want to check the activation date on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then we have a couple of ways to do so. You can, for example, open Settings, scroll down to Battery, open the battery over here. Then we're gonna scroll down again, and this time we are going to Battery Information. And then we should be able to find first used date. And in addition to that, another way to check the activation date is by going to the Google option. So if you tap on Google, once you open Google Services, if you actually use a Google account, then you can tap on your account over here and then choose Manage your Google account. Now we're gonna scroll down to your devices, and after a couple of seconds we should be able to find our account over here. And let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Well, this is not the current session actually, so I'm gonna choose this one. This is the current session. And in here we can also find, well, first we need to enter the screen lock password to continue. There we go. And finally we can find the first sign-in date over here. Now of course this date will be the date in which you signed into your Google account for the first time on this tablet. So this information might not be entirely accurate if you, for example, signed into your Google account a little bit later. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.